Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to stop getting banned on Roblox. So let's start. So if you wanna appeal your content or account moderation, you can contact the roles appeal team. They review the situation if your content or account has been banned or moderate, or any of your content has been blocked or deleted. The appeals team will give the moderation a second look and make any necessary adjustment to your assist or account's moderation status. Submitting an appeal doesn't guarantee the consequence will be removed. How you can do it, guys? Well, also you can try to use another VPN. A VPN will help you to change your location where you are right now. So how you can get the VPN? Well, in my case, I recommend you NordVPN. It's the best VPN service for online security. If you use NordVPN, you can unlock shows from anywhere, you can play games anywhere or something like that safely. And with our partner link in the description below, you will get a special discount. The link is always down there, so check it out. Plus, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. What means this, guys, that if you don't like the service that NordVPN offers you or how it works, we'll return the money to you. Also, you can check in the principal page all the features that offers you NordVPN. When you register with our partner link in the description below, you can log in here, and then when you log in, you can write your email address as well as your password. Then just click on login, and when you do it, now you are here on NordVPN. Let's go to the left side and just go to the part that says NordVPN. And here just scroll down and let's go to manual setup. And here on manual setup, you can choose the country. Select the country that you prefer. In this case, I prefer to select, I don't know, United Kingdom. And here you will appear a base of VPN that you can connect. When you do it, try to use Roblox and try to use without band, and that is how it works, guys. So I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.